Welcome to our 2021 virtual open house. I am Ms. Mathis and I am your child's Algebra 1 teacher. Some of your children have me for Math Essentials as well. Your child was given a brochure of my course overview at the beginning of school. If you need a copy, you can find it in Google Classroom or contact me if you need a hard copy. A little bit about me. My contact information is also here. I have bachelor's and master's degrees from Southeastern. This is my 25th year teaching and my 3rd year at Fontainbleu. I just love teaching here. We have the best kids, the best administration and staff. I have 2 children, Sarah, who's married to Brian, and John, who's going to get married next month. And so heads up, I'll be out for 3 days since the wedding is in Vegas. I enjoy traveling, trips to the beach, and hanging with my family. I find working in my garden therapeutic. I love spy thriller books and movies. And my contact information is cherylmathis.stpsb.org. And my phone number is 985-516-4129. The curriculum for Springboard Algebra 1 is as follows. Equations and inequalities, that's where we are now. Functions, extension of linear concepts, exponents, radicals, polynomials, quadratic functions, probability and statistics, and standards review, which we try to address at the end of the year for a review for the following year. The brochure will detail each unit if you need more information. Our textbook is consumable, so students can work in their books, but are also encouraged to keep a notebook. Our text is also available online. As outlined by state curriculum, we must follow a strict pacing guide. Please do not fall behind. I'm available for tutoring after school by appointment. The end of year assessment is LEAP 2025. This week we are hoping to start diagnostic testing and we will monitor student growth during the year to prepare for the LEAP test in the spring. Google Classroom is a tool that allows me to post announcements and reminders for students. It also allows for class assignments and submissions to be posted and collected digitally. Each 9 weeks grades will be determined by a variety of assessments, including homework, classwork, quizzes, and tests. These activities will account for 80% of the final grade, along with the Algebra LEAP 2025, which will count for 20% of the grade. The kids have already gotten their class codes. Announcements will appear in the stream, and assignments and resources you'll find under classwork. If students are absent, they will be able to try to keep up because I'm going to post notes and videos here. Our class rules are to be prompt. We have a strict tardy policy this year. Be prepared. Be courteous and respectful. Be attentive. Stay on task. Be responsible. Stay seated. Follow the guidelines for Chromebook use. Violations will result in discipline action. It is the student's responsibility to make up missed assignments. You must have an excuse within 2 days of an excused absence. Every day you need to bring to class your Springboard textbook. It's also available online. A charged Chromebook, pencils with erasers, blue or black pens, red pens and highlighter, binder with loose leaf or notebook with pocket folder, and a good attitude. Again, I'm available for tutoring. Please contact me with any questions. Thank you for visiting. I vow to do my best to help your child be successful in algebra this year.